Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 403. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix, if you have VPNs online, go ahead and disable it. And then after that, go ahead over to your Roblox player, open it up. And then once that's done, go ahead over to More right here, and then just log out. Once logged out, just log back in, and after that, go ahead and check if it helps. Now, if that doesn't work, close the app entirely and make sure that it is not running in the background. Right-click on it if you can spot it, and just click on Exit. And then once that's done, go ahead over to your search bar and find %local app data %. Okay, again, %local app data %, and then just click on the file folder. And then in here, we're going to find Roblox. Okay, just gotta scroll all the way down. Find Roblox. Here we have it. Right click on it, and then just hit on delete. Wait for it to load. And then once that's done, go ahead and reopen Roblox again and check if it helps. Now, if that soon will work, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down control panel. Right here, click on it. Now make sure that you're under large icons. Now click on, we have here Network and Sharing Center. Okay, click on it. Now click on Change Adapter Settings. Now double click on the network that you're currently using. Double click on Properties. Now go and find TCP IPv4 right here. This one. Click on Properties. Now copy my settings. Okay, obtain an IP address automatically. Use the following DNS server addresses: 8888, now 8844. And then once that's done, just hit on OK, close everything. Now on your search bar, find CMD, click on Run as Administrator, type down ipconfig space / flush DNS, and then hit on Enter. And then once that's done, exit, Enter. Now you can go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, play Roblox again, and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix Roblox Error Code 403 Authentication Failed. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.